Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you must have seen one of my past videos on my 600i where I've shown how to replace the battery and all. So after I finished installing the battery and I was checking all the lights, and I found this number plate light is off. So I'm going to be doing a very quick video and showing you guys how to remove this light and how to change the bulb. It's quite simple. It's a pilot bulb. It should not take more than 10 minutes to you if you're doing it at home. So let's begin. So remove this screw or bolt, whatever you want to call it, with a star screwdriver. I forgot to turn off the bike. Keep the bike turned off and key removed always while working with any electricals. No, it should not short circuit any part. So this is the light that I put. Let me check if the bulb is fused or I'll just rearrange the wires once. Okay, so now let's try this. Where's the key? Did not work. Yeah, it works. So there's some loose connection. I'll remove the wire. Ideally there's a regular bulb in it. I'm using LED one. The wires, you can see very small over here. There are wires. These wires usually become contact points become really loose, and because of that the light stops working usually because of vibes and all. Our tail end vibrates a lot, so you just need to change the just bring it out like this, okay, so that the contact point is easy to be matched. And while the key is off, while the ignition is off, there are points out here. Let me zoom and show it to you. These points, they're far away from each other, so just press them and make them nearer to each other. Okay, just get them a little bit nearer to each other. There are carbon deposits on it, so clean it with a screwdriver. Okay, and now trying again. I must have put it the other way around. Oops. I removed the whole LED. Stupid of me. Yeah, and there's it working. So if your light is dirty from inside, the glass is dirty, you can also remove it and clean it. Again, just two small screws. Remove these. Don't mix them with the other one. The other one is bigger one. You need a star screwdriver to remove both the screws, and pull this out. Remove the glass and wash it with soap and water, and then put it back. So the basic glass and all is cleaned. We've got water crisis out here, so I could not wash it with running tap water. I had very little water, so I cleaned the glass perfectly. I did not use soap. These parts are somewhat cleaned, but they're good enough. And now I'll just assemble it very quickly and put the light back. Now this is very basic video. It is not even required. Many might know all this already, how to change the bulb and all, but I still thought I'll just add one video. It will be useful to that one or two people who don't know how to do it, or are a bit afraid like how to open it and all, and don't want to land up in any issue. So this might help those guys. Otherwise ये वीडियो की एक्चुअली बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो वापस असेंबल करते हैं. कुछ करना नहीं है ज़्यादा, वापस ये सिर्फ इसमें स्लाइड कर देना है. ओके, आराम से स्लाइड कीजिएगा एंड इस लोकेशन पे लेके आओ, स्लॉट में बैठ जाएगा. लैम्प सिट्स इन द स्लॉट एंड पुट द कवर फ्रॉम behind. Your work should be done. Don't completely tighten the screw, this one, because check the light for working again before, since I'm using a LED light which is slightly bigger than the stock interface, so it does not go in and come out very easily. So that's the reason I'm checking this way. If your light is stock one, if you're replacing it with stock bulb, then no worries at all. Where to source the stock bulb from? Many of the cars use these bulbs. If you've noticed, there's a third stop lamp in the cars out here, this one. So you might get that small bulb. It's usually 5 or 10 watts. There are bulbs inside this also. Okay. Last I had checked, it was my Ritz had similar bulbs and the light was similar in this manner. So you get those bulbs from any of the car workshops, car service centers, if you don't get it in Benelli or if you don't get it in a two-wheeler workshop. So you can buy from them. What I'll also try and do is, I have some bulbs at home. Of course you can take out your old bulb and take a sample to them. But if you don't have a bulb or if you want to get the bulb in beforehand, I'll show you that sample. What the bulb looks like, and then you can take that one. Okay, apart from that, if you guys have any questions regarding the setup, whatever I did, whatever service I did right now for the light, or how did I change the bulb, or what did I do with it, please let me know in the comments, and I'll try to guide you and reply to you at the earliest. And if you're watching this video for the first time on my channel, or you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I do lot of DIY, general, straightforward videos without gimmicks, without fancy stuff on my channel. I don't have any stupid stuff. It's all DIY, genuine stuff with tips and tricks for how you can fix your bike. So do subscribe and do hit the bell icon for getting all regular updates from me. So thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.